What's up, guys? Welcome back to the episode of Tuned Engines, and first of all, welcome to the Tuned Engines Garage. But yeah, guys, as you see, we have a garage now. This is a huge upgrade for Tuned Engines because if y'all remember, when I first started this channel, I actually went ahead and bought a carport, like one of those $100 from Harbor Freight. And I thought I could use it as a garage. So I covered up the walls, and you seen on my videos, but it was more headaches than any help. So we actually went ahead and took it down. And in December, we just bit the bullet. I got my family and friends together, and we built this in 3 days. And then those 3 days, guys, I was not able to record. I recorded like a little bit, but I really wasn't able to because we were just working on this since those were the only days we had off. So we were just trying to get this done as soon as possible. Another thing, guys, is that like whenever I used to when I make YouTube videos, like before I had the garage, basically I would like, if it wasn't a good day outside, I could not record. And like, for example, like here in Texas, like if it rains like a week, like a day, it might rain a whole week, and that's a whole week where I can't record because it's gonna be too muddy and all that. So yeah, so this garage is gonna help us a lot when recording new videos and also like new projects and everything and working on cars. So yeah, guys, so this is a reason why we went ahead and built this, and also so I can keep all my tools. But I did record a little bit here, like the few clips I got. All right, guys, and the first thing we actually went ahead and started like making the holes to put like the beams in. Then after we put the columns in. Then after me and my brothers actually went ahead and put the whole sheet metal on top of it. And we did that all in 3 days. That's why I couldn't really record it because we were just working like machines, heavy duty boys. But yeah, guys, so basically in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you like some small stuff we did so we can get this garage perfect. Alright, guys, and the reason why we don't have a cement floor is because we're actually waiting on the materials to go ahead and like level it off a little bit more and actually on the cement. But as you can see, we already have like some toolbox, our Craftsman toolbox. I actually went ahead and purchased a tool cabinet, which you'll see in today's video as well. And I did some other small stuff for to get this garage feeling like home. Alright, guys, let's get into the video. Alright, guys, so the first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and go to Lowe's. We can go ahead and buy a Craftsman tool cabinet. I actually went ahead and bought a plastic one from Walmart, but it was a piece of crap. It falls apart, and anyone can go in and like take it down and like break it down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spend a little bit more money. We're gonna go ahead and get one from Lowe's. So let's go ahead and head to Lowe's. All right, guys, and we're gonna be getting this toolbox right here. It's a Craftsman, so we can match my toolboxes. And it's 32 inches wide, and I believe like 6.5 feet tall. So we can go ahead and get someone so they can get it down from up there. All right, guys, and the next time we're gonna have this thing in the car. I believe all day. I think I'm falling, and I need you now. Alright, guys, as you see, we got the tool cabinet done. As you can see, it's pretty big, right? Yeah, we can fit anything in here. It was a big upgrade from like my plastic one. I don't even know why I bought it. It was a trash. Heck no, but this baby can hold 100 pounds per shelf, and it has 4, so we're gonna be good. But yeah, guys, so this is a new tool cabinet for the garage. I thought it was a cool buy since we have a garage now and all that, and I need somewhere to put my tools in. So yeah, so this is gonna be the tool cabinet. We're gonna go ahead and put it on that corner and get it done installed. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and move my toolbox over. It's freaking heavy because I got my tools in here, but I got big muscle over here, so we're gonna go ahead and move it. Alright, 1, 2. Oh my! It's slippery. Alright, 1, 2. Alright, 2. Oh! Leave me alone. Look at my hand, girl. Alright, guys, as you see, we got the new tool cabinet in for the new garage. We also kept it matching with our toolbox right here. I actually got this one like 2 or 3 years ago, so it's a little bit old, but this one was a new upgrade. But yeah, guys, you can see heavy duty steel. Alright, guys, but as you can see, it was a cool addition. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the next part we have to get done in this garage. Alright, guys, so next thing we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and hang up my table. I'm actually gonna go ahead and hang it on the wall because I do not want it to be like taking up any garage space. But right now we're gonna see if we can get a level. We're gonna use this laser, and we're gonna go ahead and start marking the studs, the 4x4s, so we can go ahead and put a 2x4 to hang it on. Alright, guys, so now our friend Victor is actually gonna go ahead and start making holes and creating some brackets. We can go ahead and hang our 2x4 where we're gonna be mounting the table to. And right now we're gonna go ahead and start cutting it with a grinder. And now with our 2x4 in place, we can go ahead and start notching the tabletop basically, because we want to be able to fit all the way back and all the way to the wall. So we're going to go ahead and do that really quick so we can get a flush finish. Now that the table is mounted, we can go ahead and make sure it's leveled and also make a support for on the side. Another thing, guys, is that I do not want to take up any bottom space. That's why we're making it like this. We're going to only put 2 supports, and in the future if we need to, we're going to go ahead and put more. But as of right now, it only has 2 supports, and you're going to see that it's going to work perfectly fine for our application. Now that we put one of the supports on, you can see it's basically holding itself up, but that's not going to be enough for our applications. That's why we're going to go ahead and put another one. And after, we're going to go ahead and put some bolts to the top so you can hold it back and then place it won't move anymore. And that's what we're going to be doing next. Now that we have successfully mounted the table, we're going to go ahead and test it out. As you can see, you can hold both of us perfectly fine, so I call that a success. So now we're going to go ahead and move to our next project so we can get this garage perfect. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and put these shelves up right in back of here, like on this on the table we just built, so we can go ahead and have somewhere to store our cans and all that. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Alright guys, so the way I'm going to hold this is I'm going to use like a piece of wood and use it like as a giant washer basically. Then I can go ahead and put my screw and like it should hold it. And also guys, I went ahead and put supports in the middle and on the sides. Another thing is I didn't get to record me building my stand for my fridge, but as you can see right there, we have a fridge now in the Tuned Ninjas garage to hold all my Capri Suns. Alright guys, and just like that, we have our shelving complete. I might put more like in the future up there, but depending on how much stuff we have. So yeah, let's go ahead and put some stuff up there just so y'all can see it, because I know it's a little bit hard to see with the way it's we paint it. So yeah, let's go ahead and put some stuff up there. Alright guys, and also you can see that nothing falls. And also guys, oh, it looks like trophies, but those are my favorite things to use when I'm working on cars. But as you can see guys, it doesn't fall because it's perfectly level, like all things should be perfect, just like me. Alright guys, as you can see, we have basically everything that we're going to do in this video. We went ahead and put the shelving up, we got a new tool cabinet, and did some little stuff. So and also put the table up. But basically guys, this is a new Tuned Ninjas garage. This is gonna be another like part 2, like updating y'all whenever I put the cement floor and all that, because I do want cement floors. That'll be really cool. And after that, I'll eventually, and then after that, I'll fill up more of these gaps with more tools, because you know, if you're a mechanic, you always need more tools. Tools are never enough. But guys, so hopefully y'all enjoy this video, and also like stay tuned for new content in this shop. It's gonna be a freaking life-changing, YouTube-changing, and this channel-changing, because now we have like somewhere to work at. The rain won't bother us, the wind won't bother us, or nothing. And also don't forget to check out the merch we're selling. Link down below. This is the sweater we're selling right now, and some shirts too. And also guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on next time.